I like the lollipop in lemon lemon. I don't know what Jenny's doing because she is so tired. I don't know what's going on because she's fucking fried. I don't care too much for Jenny. Jenny doesn't give me love.
Just like an agent from the FBI, I'm gonna get my man, 'cause you've been found and convicted of a serious crime. Caught in possession of this heart of mine, and I'm locking you away for a long, long time. You're guilty, guilty, you're guilty of love. And the judge and the jury and defendant too. And I'm just about to throw the book at you. You're guilty, guilty, can't get away 'cause you're guilty, guilty. Now hear me say Guilty.
Yes, so random video there. No, she don't give me love. Lying in what looks like a thing here. Look, strokey, strokey. I've been told that I'm a bit crazy. Aren't I crazy? I've been told I'm a bit crazy. The way that I stuck a green jumper, a green t-shirt on my head. I'm crazy. Apparently I'm crazy. I'll tell you who crazy is Caligula. Crazy Emperor of Rome. He's crazy. You think I'm crazy? I bet someone else is more crazy than me. Crazy. We crazy. We crazy. Yeah. I want to talk to you about that. 1, 2, 3. Bird's eye. What a load of old shit! I bought some bird's eye chicken nuggets. They were revolting. Revolting. I couldn't taste chicken. I'm eating chicken nuggets, but the thing is, I can't taste chicken. All I can taste is breadcrumbs. Horrible, disgusting breadcrumbs. It's a chicken nugget. I want to taste the chicken, but now I can't taste the chicken, can I? All I can taste is breadcrumbs. Cooked breadcrumbs. Bird's eye should stick to fish. Fish, not chicken. It seems to be crap when they go into chicken. I ate fish. Can't stand the stuff. I ate fish fingers. Blah. Bird's eye chicken nuggets. Oh, a lot of old shit. Yeah, so. Shit. Someone's banging outside. Someone's drilling. Someone's drilling somewhere. Yesterday I woke up. I was watching TV and I had a. I thought, what the f is going on? And so I thought, what's happening? It's like my fan's making a horrible noise. No, it's not that. And then I thought, oh bloody hell, is my radiator going to explode or something? It's making a funny noise. It's not that. I put my ear to the door and it's outside. Someone's drilling in the corridor outside. I was like, what the hell? If someone's drilling, and then I heard some banging, and I thought, what's going on? So I thought, if someone's making alterations to their flat, they're going to be bloody told off, because you know, that's part of your license agreement. You can't make alterations to your flat. And what's the point when it'll be here for like 3 weeks? So what's the point altering your flat at this very late moment? It's a bit silly. Or you could be fixing it, by the way. But then, that's not very good either. And someone's drilling outside again. Reason no, not nowhere near me at the moment. Yes. Drilling, and my arm's aching, holding up this camera. I seem to be using my leg as a tripod a lot. Yeah, I was using my leg as a tripod. Well, it's better than using other things. You get what I mean? Yes, indeed. Whovians, go check out Whovians channel. Check out all my bloody channels. Come on, get in with it. I kind of feel like I want to be drunk. Yeah. I'm not drunk, by the way. I've been watching Ozzy Osbourne. Yeah, it's like, what the hell's going on? It's like, what the fuck's going on? Because I'm fucking annoyed. What the fuck are you doing? I don't know what the fuck. All I do is go, fucking hell. That fucking man needs to fuck off because I can't be fucking bothered to fucking tell him off the fucker. He uses all those swear words all the time. Peace and love. It's exciting, isn't it? Ringo here. It's exciting. I'm not sure whether I should go back to BlogTV. One, because BlogTV, I kind of stopped doing BlogTV because BlogTV was meant to be related to this channel, and the way that my channel, what I did on BlogTV was respecting what I'm doing on this channel. So it was going to be like the same kind of stuff, like getting people out there and getting to know who I am, and that got me a lot of subscribers. It did. But the thing is that the subject keep turning to the subject of sex. Everyone's sex bloody mad. Sex this, sex that. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about all these vaginas. That's vaginas. Let's get excited. We got to the point in BlogTV where I had 4 young children masturbating whilst we're talking about fannies. It's like, this is not a sex program. This isn't a sex show. This isn't a sex channel. It is to do with talking, blogging, meeting new people. It's blogging. The word blogging is or vlogging is very important in this. And I think, I don't want to sit there and talk about sex for about 3 hours. Even though I could talk about sex for 3 hours, I just don't want to, because it's not what I'm there for. It's not what I'm there to do. I'm there to talk to people about different subjects. And so I kind of got pissed off with this topic of sex being constantly done over and over again. I was pissed off by the way that that's one of the main reasons I stopped doing it, because everyone keep talking about sex. It's not nice. You're sex mad. Well, the British public are sex mad, aren't they? When you go to the Americans, they're even more sex mad. We've seen some of the dirty and depravity they have in America. They have sex clubs where you go in there and they've got rooms for sex, and people are in these rooms having a good shag, and everyone else is around them, and they're all like a glass, like they're like people in a zoo. People come round and look at all these like people in the cages doing it. It's like weird. It's strange, and it's thing, and all these swingers clubs and all these dirty sexy parties. The American people was like, well, I don't think England has hardly any of that, and so yes, I can tut the Americans for that, because us British aren't that sex mad that we have people in cages and we're like walking around it like it's a zoo looking at sexual things. It's like, no, we don't do that. So yeah, Tobysblogs, talking about stuff. Yes, I'm not sure whether I should go back to BlogTV or not. Also, it's very time consuming as well. Spending all that time talking makes me very exhausted. And I bet you that the subject will constantly come round to sex. It will. Sex mad. Especially teenagers, they get really horny very quickly. So yeah, they get more horny than others. Anyway, I'll see you. Goodbye. Just hands. Love you guys. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this weird vlog. Hello you guys at Tobysblogs. Wait a minute. This is a booger. This is a booger. It's made of meat. It's a booger. You eat a booger? It's a booger. Have a cheeseburger. Have a hamburger. It's a booger. It's a booger. Look, see, look. You got the bun there. Look, you got the booger in. It's a booger. It's a booger. It's a cheeseburger. It's not a cheeseburger, but it's a booger. It's a booger. I'm dropping crumbs on the carpet because it's a booger. A booger drops crumbs. Booger, booger, booger. It's a booger. It's not a burger. It's a booger.